L1s versus L2s is the hottest debate on crypto Twitter in 2026. On one side, Avalanche L1s are powering DeFi, gaming, and enterprise use cases. On the other, Ethereum Rollups are hailed as the future of scaling. So, as a builder in 2026, where should you bet your chips? Let's break it down. Quick recap: Avalanche L1 versus Rollups. Let's start from the basics. Avalanche L1s are sovereign chains, meaning you set the rules. Your own tokenomics, your own validator set, your own governance. And thanks to Avalanche Warp Messaging, these chains aren't isolated. They stay connected and interoperable with the whole Avalanche network. Rollups, on the other hand, live on top of Ethereum, or another L1, and batch transactions to keep them fast and affordable. The big win here? You tap straight into Ethereum's security and liquidity from day one. Both approaches solve the same challenge, scaling, but they take different paths to get there. Flexibility and sovereignty. This is where the first big decision comes in. If you want maximum freedom, your own gas token, custom governance rules, validator level control, Avalanche L1 gives you that out of the box. But if you'd rather stay close to Ethereum's massive network and security guarantees, rollups like Arbitrum or Optimism are a great choice. They give you scalability without having to worry about securing your own network. Both options are strong. It's really about what matters most for your project: full sovereignty or maximum compatibility. Transaction fees. This one's a game changer in 2026. Avalanche's ACP 125 upgrade slashed fees by up to 96%. Simple transfers cost just 1 to 3 cents. Token swaps, under 15 cents. That's on par and sometimes even cheaper than rollups like Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, or zkSync, which typically hover between 5 to 15 cents for swaps depending on network congestion. Bottom line, no matter which you pick, users are getting cheaper transactions than ever before. Time to finality. Throughput is nice, but what really matters is when your transaction is final. Rollups typically give you soft confirmations in 2 to 3 seconds and hard finality in a few minutes, with Ethereum's security backing it all. Avalanche L1 goes one step further with sub-second finality, making it perfect for use cases like real-time gaming, cross-chain swaps, high-frequency DeFi trading, and tokenized real-world assets. Both are fast, it just depends whether your use case demands near-instant confirmation or can work with a short delay. Scalability. This is where Avalanche really shows off its subnet architecture. Instead of putting everything on one chain, Avalanche spreads the load across multiple subnets, so you can spin up new chains as demand grows without clogging the main network. Rollups scale differently. They batch transactions on Layer 2 while inheriting Layer 1 security. And they've been evolving fast, with projects like Starknet and Scroll working on even better cross-rollup communication. Both are pushing Web3 closer to mass adoption by making scaling headaches disappear. Ecosystem and security. Finally, let's talk about community and security. Avalanche has built a thriving ecosystem for DeFi, gaming, and even institutional chains. New projects launch every month. Rollups have the power of Ethereum's massive network effects. Building on Arbitrum, Optimism, or Base means you get instant access to liquidity, wallets, and tools that users already know and trust. Either way, you're building on top of a strong, growing ecosystem. So which one should you choose? Honestly, there's no single better option. If you want instant finality, total customization, and sovereign design, Avalanche L1 could be the right move. If you want Ethereum-level security, network effects, and easy onboarding, rollups like Arbitrum, Optimism, zkSync, or Base might be your pick. The good news? In 2026, both are mature, reliable, and ready for serious builders. There's never been a better time to launch. And if you're ready to launch, whether on Avalanche L1 or a rollup, Zeeve can help. From nodes to explorers, faucets, data indexers, and enterprise-grade SLAs, we provide everything you need to go from idea to launch with confidence. Drop us a message or schedule a one-on-one call. Let's build the future together. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you choose Avalanche L1 or a rollup for your next project? We'd love to hear why. See you in the next one.